If you're in marketing or advertising research, Kantar AdScope might sound familiar, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a database of ads when in reality Kantar AdScope is a powerful analytics platform that tracks advertising across multiple channels, helping you benchmark campaigns, monitor competitors, and understand audience engagement. Kantar AdScope collects ads from TV, digital, and print, then provides detailed insights such as spend estimates, reach, and creative strategies. This allows marketing teams to see which campaigns are performing best in their industry and identify trends before they become mainstream. You can filter by brand, product category, time frame, or geographic region for precise analysis. One of the key benefits is competitive intelligence. For example, if you are launching a new product, you can see what your competitors are doing, what messaging resonates with consumers, and what channels are most effective. It's a level of insight that can help optimize your own campaigns and avoid costly mistakes. On the downside, Kantar AdScope can be expensive for smaller businesses, and navigating the platform can require some training due to the depth of data available. However, for agencies and enterprises that rely on data-driven decisions, the investment often pays for itself. In conclusion, Kantar AdScope is a must-have for serious advertisers who want detailed, actionable intelligence on campaigns across multiple channels. If you value strategic insights and staying ahead of competitors, it's a tool worth considering. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest marketing tool reviews that save time and money.